Scooped up along the wall by Morrissey. Nothing doing on that. Here we go, 2-on-1. Here's a shot. Scores! That's 2 unanswered now.
Well, they stayed right on it. Once they stopped that first one, they just pushed the pace of this. Now they get another. Such a strong move to the net. Watch how he gets his body between the puck and the defender. Nobody can reach far enough to get the puck off his stick, and then he focuses enough to get it into the net.
Winnipeg's now extended the lead to 2 in the late stages of this second period.
Hear a lot from their bench, and everybody's saying don't sit back, so they want to make sure they get...
And the puck skips away after that move.
I know what he's trying to do, get into space to shoot it, but now you got to chase because you've turned it over.
Quick feed to Hintz. Scores! And Big D delivers!
When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
The Stars take a 1-0 lead here with lots of time to go.
Now, there is plenty of time, but you'd love to play from in front, and they'll be thrilled with...
The Wild have taken possession along the wall. Off the wall and right to the stick. Nice play. Takes a shot. Stoller, Bill Carell does it again. Kaprizov lights the lamp. Late goings of this period. Minnesota's shown a new energy over these last few minutes. They got one back, but they still need one more in order to tie. Taken by Hagel. Tampa Bay's got it against the boards. Feeds it over on the rush. Here's a shot. Scores! Oh, what a shot on the one-timer!
What a shot. Top shelf beats the goaltender, but he's not set. They have possession of the puck, but that's such a bad turnover. I don't think he was able to get out and get himself squared up to the shot.
The Avalanche have taken a 1-0 lead near the midway mark of the first.
I like the way they've played. They've been aggressive, got in on the forecheck pretty quick.
Quick feed to Johansson. Great save by Chari. Chance in front. They score! And Nashville's ramped up tonight.
Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Nashville's found their skating legs here in the back half of the first.
Oh, it's amazing, too. Once you get a goal, now you're going to feel a little more energetic.
Boston's got it along the wall. Quick pass to Coyle. Here's a pass in front. Scores! What a finish on the play!
That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
Crowd's buzzing, ready to get things back underway, and I think the officials are too. Here's a short pass to Gostisbehere. Shot! Big time stop there. And he slides it quickly to Gostisbehere. Scores! Well, a little puck luck on that one as it bounces off someone in front. Arizona's got the game's first goal here, Razor.
Well, you got the one-goal lead now, but you want to extend it as quickly as you can.
Tries to get the puck to Jones. Gains the zone from the right. Oh, what a move with the stick. He's got a chance in front. He scores!
Sweet! A quick check in the shoulder to make sure that he's in clear, and then it's focus on the net. A nice fake, a nice move, a nice shot, and it's in the back of the cage. He really makes a good move here, James. Once you go in, you want to freeze the goalie, even for an instant. Then you can get to your backhand and shovel it past him.
Chicago's hard work pays off. They've gone up by 1 here in this second period.
Even though it really shouldn't matter, it does change the way you play the game now that you're in the lead.